Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2024 speaking topics. I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a sports person or athlete that you admire. You should say who is the person, what he or she is like in real life, what is his or her achievement, and why do you admire him or her. So let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. I am a huge sports enthusiast and like watching different kinds of games, including tennis, football, and cricket. And today, I would like to speak about the legendary cricketer Sachin Tendulkar, who also serves as a role model for millions of youth. So, as you all can see, we have given a little bit of an introduction where we are just saying that I am a sports lover. Enthusiast means when you have a high interest in something or when you like something a lot. So, in the introduction, we are just saying that I like different kinds of sports, and today I would be speaking about a very famous, that means legendary cricketer whose name is Sachin Tendulkar. Okay? Alright, so let's continue. Moreover, he started playing the game when he was only 16 years of age and is regarded as the greatest batsman in the history of cricket, as well as he's the highest run scorer in both ODI and Test format of the game. So we are just trying to focus on some of his career highlights. Okay, so that he is the highest run getter in both ODI and Test format. So if you do watch a little bit of cricket also, you must be knowing that there are two formats of the game. One is Test cricket, which lasts for 5 days, and the other is One Day International, which is a 50 over game for each side. So that's what we are trying to tell here. Additionally, he has received the most Player of the Match awards throughout his career in international cricket and has also been presented with plentiful awards from the Indian government, including Padma Shri, Arjuna Award, and Bharat Ratna Award, which is the highest civilian award. So here we are telling about the different kind of awards that he has received. Okay, plentiful means a lot of or many, and civilian means an ordinary citizen or someone who is not related to the army. So Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian award, which means that it is the highest level of award that an ordinary citizen or a non-military person can get. Despite his on-field performance, sheer hard work, and leadership skills, he is a very modest human being and praised for his humility as well as down-to-earth nature, which has earned him respect and admiration from his fans and peers. So Shia means absolute. Modest means someone who is humble or grounded. Praised means appreciated. Humility means someone who is not proud. So we have used a range of adjectives here to describe what he is like in his real life. He also indulges in a lot of philanthropic activities besides his fame and success on the field. So indulges means involve. Philanthropic activities means donation or charitable activities. Okay. So we have answered the first three questions. The last question, which is why do you admire him or her, still remains. So let's answer that. Finally, I admire Tendulkar for his tremendous contribution to the game of cricket and selfless demeanour, which serves as a youth source of motivation for masses across the world. So, tremendous means great, demeanour means attitude. So, what we are trying to say for the last part of the question is that I like Tendulkar, that means admire Tendulkar because of his great contribution to the cricket world and also because he is a selfless and modest human being which acts as a inspiration or a motivational source for all masses across the world. Thank you for your time everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.